Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can buy KPLC token using your M-Pesa. What you're supposed to do basically, just get into your phone toolkit, SIM toolkit, and then get to where we have Safaricom. Then get to where we have M-Pesa. Then what you're supposed to do, you need to click Rip an M-Pesa option. Then you need to select Pay Bill. Then you need to enter business number. So the business number to pay for KPLC token is 58. You need to enter 8 digits and then press 0. So the total digits add up to 8 after add up to 6 after adding 0, then click OK. Then you need to enter your account number. So the account number is the one which is provided to your token, which is a special number. So to see the special number in most token, it is usually here. Let me try if I can show you. It is usually written here in most token. Like mine, you can see it is here, which is 14 10 61 06 058. Then you can get to pay bill and or you can write it somewhere so that you don't keep on referring there. So we can repeat the process. So we get to our SIM toolkit, then get into our M-Pesa, then get to where we have Rip an M-Pesa. Then we enter the pay bill, which we said is 58. You need to enter 5 times and then press 0. So then the account number, as we have visualized it here, is 14 10 61 060 58. So you can confirm it from your token. It is written where I have shown you. Then click OK. Then you can enter the amount you want to pay. I want to pay just 100. Then click OK. Then you can enter your PIN, your normal M-Pesa PIN. Then click OK. So before it sends the amount, you can be able to visualize here and confirm if this is the real token which you want to pay for. So it is good you do the confirmation so that you don't pay the wrong token. Then click yes after confirming. So an M-Pesa message will be sent to you immediately. So it has been sent to me. So this is my token meter. So it is analyzed as follows. So you have the meter which you have paid for, which is here, as I've shown you in the token meter. Then you have the token number, which is here, which technically resembles a scratch card number. Then you have the date. Then you have the unit which have been awarded. So I have been awarded 5 units, which is worth 100. So the token amount is this one. Then the other charges is 39, which they have hidden as per now, based on our economy, how it is performing, and the lot of charges which are involving the token. So 39 shilling, around 40 shilling have been cut to other charges, which is a lot of money. So what I need to do now is to enter this code in the token. So to enter the code in the token, so as you can see, we have some digits here. We have some numbers here, which you need to click and enter the token. So let me show you how we enter it. So you need to click it here, which is 5218. Let me enter it here. It is 52 18 80 60 10 96. Let me repeat again. So it is 52. Let me reset something in my token so that I can be able to enter it properly. So it is 52 18 80 60 80 60 81 40 82 45 10 96. So ensure you don't do the mistake. So my token have been credited an amount of 5, as you can see. Let me show you. The amount has been credited here. It has been credited here. And I think you can be able to see it here. So the total token amount now is 7, and it was previously 2, so I have been rewarded 5 units, which is good to go. So this is how we pay, and enter token number in the token meter so that we can be rewarded these units. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future rolling content like this. So the number which you used to click, we used to click this one to enter the token meter. So thank you, and may God bless you.